All right, guys. So a lot of thing is going on in the crypto space right now. The market is very volatile and easily manipulated. So actually, I'm not feeling that good, but I just thought I should make this video real quick for people that are having doubt and that want clarity. So as you can see on the chart right here, we are forming a head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, this is a head and shoulder pattern, and we are currently on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, as you can see, and Bitcoin is currently, as at the time of making this video, is currently trading around 58,850 something naira. Okay, so for you now to know what's up, to know the next price direction for Bitcoin, I will advise you wait for this 4 hourly candle to close. The 4 hour candle started at around 8 a.m. Nigeria time. Okay, this is 10:35 a.m. So it started around 8 a.m. my time, Nigeria time, on the 27th of October. So you have to wait for this 4 hour candle to close either below or above the triangle before we can tell the next price direction for Bitcoin. You understand? As you already know, Bitcoin is more like the pilot, the captain of the crypto space. So the direction it heads will determine the direction the altcoin will follow. Okay, so let's head to the 1 hour time frame. You also notice Bitcoin is also playing the same chart pattern. Like, if you notice on the hourly time frame, this is the 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin is also showing some head and shoulder pattern, as you can see, guys. So the next price direction will be determined in the next couple of hours from here. So the second hourly candle closed below the triangle. So if in the next 2 hours we notice all the candle closed below the triangle, then I think Bitcoin will be heading straight to a support zone of around $55,000. And if it happens to break that support area, then that's it. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. My name is Isaac once again. In case you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It really means a lot to me. For those that have subscribed already, I really appreciate your love and support. Share this video to your friends, family and friends. And what's my take for your holding? Now, I'm not your financial advisor, I'm just a content creator, but if you ask me, I would say hold your positions tight. Your crypto positions, hold them tight, because the market is just being very manipulated. Hopefully we should see more green days soon. Don't forget, we're still in the bull phase, of the crypto market. We are still in the bull market, so anything can happen. Like, the next 2 hours can change everything. So that will be all for now, guys. Stay safe, peace out.